My people, now good afternoon. My name is High Chief Engineer Herbert Chukwumanwogu, a lover of 607 Peugeot. I want to talk about 607 car now. One of the peculiar problems it normally have. This is my official Peugeot 607. I want to talk about it, the peculiar problems it normally have. So this is the second 607. All of them are roadworthy. They can go any part of Nigeria. From this point they are sleeping right now. So I want to talk about the limp. I want to talk about the limping problem and the problem of getting stuck when the engine is at the normal temperature of 90 degrees centigrade. It will start to limp. When the engine gets hot, it works abnormally, but when it is cold, as I was saying, these are the two common coils we use in 607, and I hope other Peugeot use it also. These two, this is another type, but all of them work well. See? So when it is doing that, find out the cylinder that is misfiring in the engine. Get this tape, mask tape, wound it here, many rounds from here to here. Wind it up to 4-5 tons, it will stop when you put it back. The cause is it leaks current from here to the engine block. When the engine gets the working temperature of 90 to 90 something degrees centigrade, here we start to leak current to the engine body. It will not go from here to the plug. The plug is supposed to be here. Instead of getting to the plug, it will go into the body, whereby causing misfire. Same thing with this also. So when you wound the tape, this mask tape, when you wind the tape, mask tape round here, from here to here, it will not be leaking current to the body. You use it until the time you will have money to change this coil. So that is the cause of getting jumping or linking or limping when the engine is hot. So immediately you do it with this tape, mask tape. The Panebitas or the Pentas use it. You use the mask tape, wound it here many tons from here to here, put it back. It will not be limping again when the temperature gets the driving temperature, the engine temperature. So enjoy your 607. I know it can equally work in other Peugeots that uses this coil. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Peugeot. The same thing here. They use the same type of system. So if you do it, wind it, you won't have problem of shaking when it gets normal temperature. Thank you. That's information I want to give you. Enjoy your Peugeot.